Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. So today I'm going to show you how you can arrange the menu items or the menu pages in the menu. So to start with, I have opened this site editor. So you can simply click here and click manage menu, or you can do this the other way, like clicking here on the site pages. As you can see, just need to click here in the second option, which is called site pages. So simply by clicking here, as you can see, the site menu opens. And here it's called site pages. So in the site menu, if you want to take the about us page below the home, then just simply click here to the left of the menu item and drag here. So we are done with this. So let's say we have to move it more down to the copy of home page. So drag like this, and if you want to drag below this contact us or copy photos like this. So this is how we do it. So now I will show you how you can do that if you have a drop down. So let's say the about us is a sub page or a drop down of copy of about us page, and let's say we will add this shop page, which is a store page, to this drop down. So there are two in items in the drop down of copy of about us. So let's do this here as well. So I will move the shop page to the about. So this is how you can do this. So let's say if you want to move this drop down menu item out of the drop down, then just simply click and click on main page. And if you want to remove these as well, click on main page. So as you can see, the shop, which is the store page, and the about us, which was a drop down of a copy of about us, now is a menu item, not a drop down. So as you can see, these are the six menu items here, which are like the pages we have in the site, like home, copy of home, copy of about us, shop, about us. Right now the contact us is hidden, so we can show this as well, or we can again hide this as well. So now I am going to show you the arranging thing in a different way. So let's say again add this as a drop down, and let's say this is a drop down of home, and we add one more blank page. We'll rename it as a new menu item for now, just to show you. So it has been created. So we don't want it to be part of home, and we'll simply drag it here. Again, we don't want to be part of this drop down as well, so we'll keep it as a main page or a main menu item in this menu. And now what I will do is I will just simply drag this above the home. As you can see, the whole drop down has been came up at the top, as I have moved the copy of about us menu item above the home. So it's not like that we have moved the copy of about us above the home and the drop down remain here. It's not going to do that. It will take these two menu items or a drop down of copy of about us with it whenever we move it to the above. So this is how you can do this too. So I hope you like this video. So stay tuned for more upcoming such videos.